What is going on, guys? This is JJ Frank01, and today I just ordered my brand new monitor. I just ordered this brand new monitor from Amazon. I don't even know if you can see me, but if you want to know what type of monitor it is, it's gonna be in the description because I can't think of it off the top of my head, and it's gonna be in the link in the description below. It might cost a bit more because I got it on special for like 200 or a little bit less than that, but let's get it.
Standard option for like a package at all. I never had this before. Kind of worried. Thank you, a little big, to be honest.
Boy, I've been waiting so long. It's been 2 days. I've been waiting so long. Let's get it. Yeet. All right, that's my information. God damn it. Well, shit. I'm gonna have to cut this out of the video. Alright, so this package is already 3D ready. So I want to see if I can test that out. Let's see. 1920 by 1080p, full HD. Got a 1 millisecond response time, 144 hertz, and a bunch of other stuff that I don't know. Point is, it's a pretty good one. It's a gaming monitor. Comes with a power outlet, of course. VGA cables, I think they're called VGA cables. The other side of the power outlet, kind of like a laptop where you have a little brick and then separated with the rest of it. This is dildo. Oh, I think this is the stand for it. I'm not completely sure. Another VGA cable comes. I don't know what it comes with, but it's not HDMI, so that's all I care about. It doesn't come with an HDMI cable, actually. Got some styrofoam. Ooh. Here's the baby itself. Comes with the manual and the disc. So do I gotta install something? CD contains user manual, quick startup guide, Acrobat reader, register your product, LCD monitor. Okay. I don't want to throw that. I don't want to break it just in case I need it. But do I need to? Why do I need to register my monitor? It's the future, man. And here's the base of the bad boy itself.